Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 29th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound yen did just bounce from the 78% Fibonacci retracement on this last move up right here. Now, technically, the trend is up on the weekly and the daily. Now, the market flow has been down because we did get engulfing down on the daily, but that doesn't mean that we will not end up continuing the uptrend. So keep an eye on this. If this breaks structure and starts making higher highs, higher lows, then I would definitely trade with that higher time frame trend and definitely continue to look for longs. On the other hand, if it does something like this, maybe goes back up to these highs and then turns back down softly, then because the daily did engulf down, take it as a short. So just keep an eye on your structure. If it keeps making higher highs, higher lows, then just hold on to your logs and look for more logs. If it goes up to this high and rejects it, or it doesn't even break this structure, it goes down, then actually continue to look for shorts. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.